Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get complete control of your mobile phone using your laptop or PC in Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system. First of all, you need to open your Microsoft Store and search for Your Phone app. Just type Your Phone here. Now click to open this app. Well, as you can see, this app is already installed in Windows 11 as default. If you don't see this launch button, then you will find here install button. So install it. In my case, I just need to click on this launch button to open this app, like this. For the first time, it may take some time. Now choose your mobile OS. If you are using iOS, then choose iPhone. Otherwise, select Android and click on continue. And as you can see here, you also need to open your phone companion app in your mobile phone. Just go to Play Store from your Android, but if you are using iPhone, then you need to access your App Store. Now search for Your Phone like before and install this companion app. This app is also provided by Microsoft Corporation. Well, now our mobile app is also installed. Just open this app and click on Link Your Phone and PC. Is the QR code on your PC ready? No, it's not yet. Now go to your PC and select that I have the companion app ready. And also click Continue on your mobile. Now click on Pair with QR code. And also allow your phone app to take picture. Now hold your mobile back camera on PC screen to scan this QR code. Well guys, it works. As you can see, this phone is pairing with the PC. We are almost done here. Now allow all the notifications to give permission on your mobile. Now click on continue and allow again. And we are done. You are all set, as you can see here. Well guys, now our phone is successfully connected with the PC. And I would love to pin this app on my taskbar. And you can see here, you will get a full control of access of your phone from your PC. You can access your photo gallery, messages. Just click on send notification to your mobile. And you need to accept that on your mobile phone to give permission of this app. Now you can also send your mobile message from PC. Now go to the call section. Click on Get Started. Well guys, you need to open your Bluetooth connection from both of your devices. If you are using a laptop, then you need to update your Bluetooth driver. And if you are using a desktop, then you need a Bluetooth device plugged in on your PC. Only then this feature will work. But currently I am out of facility. So sorry guys, you need to do it yourself. Now let's check the notification option. You need your phone's permission to sync notification. Just click on Open Settings on your phone. And you need to give the permission from your phone. Do it yourself. And we are done. Now all the future notifications will be appeared here. And after this syncing process, you can also see that our phone contacts are also synchronized in the meantime. If you select any number from here, you will find two options like message and the call. The call option is dead here as I couldn't connect the Bluetooth for the lack of device facility. But you can see the message option is working perfectly. Well guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe my channel and stay tuned.